Real-world implementations of VMware Cloud. As enterprises continue their digital transformation journeys, VMware Cloud has become a critical enabler for hybrid and multi-cloud adoption, workload mobility, security, and operational efficiency. Organizations across industries, including financial services, healthcare, retail, manufacturing, and government, leverage VMware Cloud to modernize applications, enhance disaster recovery, and streamline IT operations. By providing a consistent infrastructure and management experience across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, IBM Cloud, and private data centers, VMware Cloud allows businesses to scale, optimize, and secure workloads without re-architecting their existing environments. Financial institutions use VMware Cloud on AWS and Azure, VMware solution to modernize legacy banking applications while maintaining strict regulatory compliance with PCI DSS and GDPR. Multi-cloud disaster recovery strategies powered by VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery and Site Recovery Manager ensure continuous uptime and rapid failover in the event of outages. Additionally, VMware NSX micro-segmentation provides zero-trust security, protecting sensitive financial data from cyber threats and insider attacks. Healthcare providers deploy VMware Cloud for hybrid IT environments, ensuring secure, compliant storage and processing of electronic health records (EHRs). HIPAA-compliant VMware Cloud implementations provide data encryption while enabling secure remote access for healthcare professionals. Telemedicine platforms integrate VMware Horizon for virtual desktop infrastructure, allowing doctors and specialists to securely access patient records from any location. Retailers rely on VMware Cloud on Google Cloud to integrate AI-powered analytics, personalized shopping experiences, and real-time inventory management across global supply chains. Kubernetes and VMware Tanzu enable cloud-native development, allowing e-commerce platforms to scale dynamically during peak shopping seasons. Additionally, retailers use VMware Cloud Disaster Recovery to ensure business continuity and protect against ransomware attacks. Manufacturers implement VMware Cloud on IBM Cloud to support Industry 4.0 transformations, enabling real-time IoT data processing, AI-driven automation, and remote monitoring of industrial assets. By leveraging VMware Edge Compute Stack and NSX security policies, manufacturers securely deploy and manage workloads across distributed factory locations while maintaining low-latency connectivity to public cloud AI and analytics services. Government agencies use VMware Cloud for secure hybrid cloud solutions, enabling cloud migration, data sovereignty, and high availability services. FedRAMP-authorized VMware Cloud solutions provide strong encryption, zero-trust access policies, and automated compliance enforcement to meet national security and governance requirements. VMware Cloud continues to transform IT operations for enterprises worldwide, providing scalability, security, and agility across hybrid and multi-cloud environments. Let's continue.